reckless. Yeah. Reckless already in this bitch. Don't you know I've been this shit? Step into the game and you know I'm gonna be clinching it. You can't even fuck with us. Skinny jeans and double cups. We gon' keep it real. They my niggas, they gon' run with us. I'ma play this bitch at her own fucking game. I'ma make it rain, watch me throw it down the drain. I got a crazy story, but it's too much to explain. Listen to my music, you'll know why Reckless is my name. Dog, I've been here, I've been there, I've been everywhere. I know everybody, I'm a legend. Can't you feel the flare? We're stacking diamonds to the ceilings, Picasso's on the wall. Damn, we go hard, they can't give us a last call. Last call for the drink, last call to make some money. We just throw it on the table, then we feed it to the junkies. Cause the shit is pushing well, couple reasons then it stopped. But I can't live back people hungry, so it's right back to the